The Supreme Court is planning to hear arguments over President Trump's fight to end birthright citizenship. The case could have important implications for who gets to be an American citizen. 27 News Washington correspondent Hannah Brandt previews the case.
President Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship has launched a legal fight that's now headed to the Supreme Court.
I am so happy. I think the case has been so misunderstood.
Birthright citizenship is a right enshrined in the Constitution's 14th Amendment. It automatically makes anyone born in the U.S. an American citizen, even if their parents are in the country illegally.
And that's critically important because it's consistent with our principles of democracy, our principles of rule of law.
Dr. Michelle Goodwin is a constitutional law professor at Georgetown Law. She says birthright citizenship is a fundamental part of the U.S. Constitution.
It would be absolutely extraordinary for the court to come through with a reading of the Constitution that is consistent with what the Trump administration is offering.
The president's order to restrict birthright citizenship is on hold while the court case plays out. But he argues the justices should side with him because birthright citizenship is part of an amendment ratified right after the Civil War with the intention of addressing slavery.
It's all about slavery, and if you look at it that way, we should win that case.
But Dr. Goodwin says the argument goes against the legal precedent of birthright citizenship and is inconsistent with how the Constitution works.
The Constitution has not been brought into law with an idea that only certain communities of people would be able to benefit from it.
The Supreme Court is majority conservative, but that doesn't mean this case is an automatic win for the White House. Dr. Goodwin points out the court did recently rule against the Trump administration.
The very clear indication from the court that Donald Trump will not get all that he wants from this Supreme Court.
The High Court is scheduled to hear the case on May 15th. In Washington, I'm Hannah Brandt.